With a second DUI, will I be able to drive to work with an interlock? Attorney Myles L. Berman explains. Specific law requires that installation of an ignition interlock device, or IID, if you have a DUI. The California Department of Motor Vehicles currently has a statewide IID pilot program for DUI offenders convicted of a DUI offense on or after January 1, 2019. Repeat and injury-involved DUI offenders are required to install an IID in the vehicle they use for transportation. Depending on your situation with a second DUI, the court may order you to install an IID in your vehicle. The state of California has certified IID installers that are required to have a license issued by the Bureau of Auto Repairs or the Bureau of Household Goods. There are fees associated with the installation and monitoring of IIDs. You are permitted to drive at any time as long as your vehicle has an IID installed and there are no restrictions as to where you can travel. There are many facets of successfully defending a DUI charge in Irvine, California. An experienced DMV lawyer can help you successfully adhere to the requirements and procedures laid out by the court system and the Department of Motor Vehicles. Contact Top Gun DUI defense attorney Myles L. Berman, serving clients throughout Southern California, and he will represent you with the care and attention you expect.